the third video. This is the wood block. Primarily just probably the same procedure. A lot of times when we spread the ink out, we usually use type of a metal spatula type of instrument. So the wood just takes a little bit more, maybe it'll take up a little bit more ink than the lino cut, but you can kind of hear the ink and get a feel for it. Get a feel for what the ink is, the tackiness of the ink, the thickness of the ink. And this is, like I said, it's primarily the same type of process as a lino cut. Of course, the wood's going to be a little bit tougher, a little bit harder. The main thing is just keep your tool sharp. So this is where you get into doing a certain amount of proofing. So when you're on the press bed, you have layers. You use newsprint to proof your work. Okay, and subsequently, whenever you like to proof, you kind of get an idea of how much ink you need to put on your palette, how much ink you need to put out to make that a nice strong proof. And then you get an idea if you want to run an addition on your work. So by this being the first one I'm going to proof, still going to use rice paper. We're still going to try to have a somewhat of a margin around this board. Alrighty. Let's see what happens with the studio made bearing. I added a piece of paper on the top just to keep from ripping up the rice paper. Whereas in the press, you wouldn't have this problem. You just adjust the pressure of the press. So I'm gonna go in horizontal, and then go vertical. I don't know if I'm putting too much pressure on or not enough, but we shall see. Kind of see maybe in that area that's still kind of sticking up. Okay, we shall see. Okay, so here's the first proof, and so you keep going from there. A little bit more ink, and you'll be able to see, kind of hear that tackiness of the roller. Maybe using a larger roller that we would have in the print shop. So you try to get the entire area covered, hopefully with the same amount of ink. Okay, let's grab one more sheet of paper. Okay, and here we have it. Got pretty good margin. You know, like I said, if you think you're gonna do some additions, then you can just go into doing your registration on your margins, registration on the paper, so that you would have exact margins and the area where you're going to sign your work. So this time I'm going to use a circular motion, which I've started. So hopefully this allows me to put a little bit more pressure on this print using a circular motion. Hopefully this will come up a little bit darker. Okay, let's see what the circular motion did. Oh. Try that one more time on the edge. Get a nice little edge in. Okay, we have the reveal. Oh, not bad, not bad. You see, pretty nice area, little dark areas. Here we have it. Wood block, part of the print process. So this is the third project for our class, printmaking materials and methods. So thanks for watching.